Dear students, this video is presented by Satya Science Center, Pirespur of Archana. In this video, I will discuss about class 10, subject science, chapter number 6, chapter name life process. In this chapter, there is a question in page number 101, question number 5. How is the small intestine designed to absorb digested food? अर्थात स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का डिजाइन कैसा होता है जिससे कि वह डाइजेस्टेड फूड को एब्जॉर्ब कर सके, अवशोषण कर सके. आंसर कैन बी रिटन एज द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. इट इज fitted into a compact space because of extensive coiling. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projections called villi. Villi increase surface area for absorption of digested food. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. In this answer, it has told that small intestine is largest part of alimentary canal. Digestive system is a canal-like structure in which largest part is small intestine. It is very long and it is fitted in small space by coiling itself. And another design is let us take the diagram of small intestine. It is small intestine. Then its inner wall is not plain, but it is curved, and it has finger-like projection. This type. This projection is called villi. Now we see what is the significance of this projection. If villi will not present, its surface area will remain less, and if since the villi is present, its surface area increase. As here surface area is only this much, and in this design surface area increase, and it increases the absorption capacity of the intestine. Another thing is the villi. In villi there is it is supplied with numerous blood capillaries, blood vessels, which help in absorbing digested food molecule, which is carried in blood to every cell of the body. I can repeat once again this answer. The small intestine is the largest part of the alimentary canal. It is fitted into a compact space because of extensive coiling. This type of design is the coiling. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projection called villi. This one. Villi increase surface area for absorption of digested food. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. This is the explanation of the question, and I hope you will like the explanation, and so you may like this channel, subscribe this channel. Thank you.